Are you over 50 and feeling like your old ways just aren't working anymore? You're not alone. Many people experience changes in their energy, weight, and overall health as they age. But what if there was a way to turn back the clock and feel vibrant again? The ketogenic diet might be the answer you've been searching for. This isn't about crash diets or depriving yourself. Keto is a lifestyle shift that helps your body tap into a new energy source: fat. It's a natural, sustainable way to regain control of your health and feel your best. Imagine waking up with renewed energy, watching the weight drop effortlessly, and experiencing mental clarity like never before. These are just a few of the many benefits that await you on the keto journey. This guide is tailored specifically for those over 50, addressing your unique needs and concerns. It's time to embrace change and embark on a path to a healthier, happier you. The ketogenic diet may seem complex at first, but it's actually quite simple. The core principle is shifting your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. Typically, when you eat carbohydrates, your body converts them into glucose for energy. However, on a keto diet, you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats. This forces your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver begins to produce ketones, which are an alternative energy source derived from fat. Think of it as switching from gasoline to a cleaner, more efficient fuel for your body. Keto isn't just about weight loss, it's about optimizing your health from the inside out. By reducing your reliance on glucose, you can experience stabilized blood sugar levels, improved insulin sensitivity, and even enhanced brain function. It's important to remember that keto is a gradual process. Your body needs time to adapt to this new way of fueling itself. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the small victories along the way. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can impact our metabolism, energy levels, and overall well-being. The ketogenic diet can be particularly beneficial for individuals over 50 due to its unique ability to address these age-related concerns. One major challenge many people face as they get older is insulin resistance. This occurs when your cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. Keto can help improve insulin sensitivity, leading to better blood sugar control and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Another common concern is cognitive decline. Our brains thrive on a steady supply of energy, and ketones provide a clean, efficient fuel source that can enhance cognitive function, memory, and focus. Furthermore, keto can help combat age-related weight gain by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. By switching to fat as your primary fuel source, you'll feel fuller for longer and experience fewer cravings. Keto is not a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool for supporting your health and vitality as you age gracefully. Embarking on a ketogenic journey can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple starter kit to guide you through the initial steps. First, cleanse your kitchen. The first step is to create a supportive environment at home. Clear out your pantry and refrigerator of processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. Stock up on healthy fats, protein sources, and low-carb vegetables. Next, embrace whole foods. Focus on nourishing your body with nutrient-dense whole foods. Choose healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Opt for grass-fed meats, pasture-raised poultry, and wild-caught fish. Load up on leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and low-sugar fruits like berries. Third, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, especially on a keto diet. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to this new way of eating. You may experience some initial side effects like fatigue or headaches as your body adjusts, but these typically subside within a few days. Be patient, listen to your body's cues, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, starting keto is about making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body with real food, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's signals. Navigating the transition Keto Flu and You. As your body transitions into ketosis, you might experience some temporary side effects commonly referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms are usually mild and typically subside within a few days. The keto flu can manifest as fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, or difficulty concentrating. These are not signs that something is wrong, but rather indications that your body is adapting to its new fuel source. To minimize the keto flu, focus on staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and electrolytes. Replenishing electrolytes is crucial because your body flushes out more water and sodium on a keto diet. Incorporate bone broth into your diet for a natural source of electrolytes, or consider adding a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water. Ensure you're getting enough rest and prioritize stress management techniques like meditation or gentle exercise. If you experience severe or persistent symptoms, consult your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Remember, listening to your body is key throughout your keto journey. Personalizing your keto journey. Listening to your body. While the basic principles of keto remain constant, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's essential to personalize your keto journey based on your unique needs, preferences, and health conditions. Start by consulting with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure keto is appropriate for you, especially if you have pre-existing health concerns. Pay close attention to how your body responds to different foods and adjust your diet accordingly. Some individuals thrive on higher fat intake, while others may need to moderate their consumption. Experiment with different types of intermittent fasting to find a pattern that suits your lifestyle and supports your goals. Some people prefer shorter fasting windows, while others benefit from longer fasts. Remember, keto is not about deprivation. Don't be afraid to indulge in occasional treats or meals that fit within your macros. The key is to make sustainable choices that support your long-term health and well-being. Fasting and keto. Amplifying the benefits. Intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet are like two peas in a pod. They complement each other beautifully, amplifying the benefits of each approach. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, typically for 12 to 16 hours at a time. When you combine this practice with keto, you further enhance your body's ability to tap into fat stores for energy. Fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and managing weight. It also promotes cellular repair and autophagy, the body's natural cleansing process. Pairing keto with intermittent fasting can accelerate weight loss, boost energy levels, and enhance cognitive function. It's like giving your body a metabolic makeover. Start with shorter fasting windows and gradually increase the duration as your body adapts. Listen to your body's cues and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the long-term benefits of both keto and intermittent fasting. Your keto plate delicious and easy meal ideas. One of the most appealing aspects of keto is the abundance of delicious and satisfying food choices. Here's a glimpse into a day of keto eating to tantalize your taste buds. Breakfast. Start your day with a protein-packed omelet filled with sautéed spinach, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. Add a side of avocado slices for healthy fats and a boost of flavor. Lunch. Enjoy a refreshing salad with grilled salmon or chicken breast as your protein source. Load up on leafy greens, cucumbers, bell peppers, and a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar dressing. Dinner. Indulge in a flavorful baked salmon with a side of roasted asparagus and a dollop of herbed butter. The healthy fats in salmon will keep you satiated, while the asparagus provides essential nutrients and fiber. Snacks. Keep hunger at bay with keto-friendly snacks like a handful of almonds, a hard-boiled egg, or a few slices of cheese. These options offer a balance of protein, healthy fats, and flavor. Your keto adventure begins. Embrace the change. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Embracing the ketogenic diet after 50 is an empowering decision that can transform your health and well-being. Remember, this is not a quick fix, but rather a lifestyle change that requires commitment and consistency. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for support when needed. As you embark on this exciting journey, keep in mind these key takeaways. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and electrolytes. Listen to your body's cues and adjust your approach as needed. Seek support from your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. The ketogenic diet is not just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and feeling your best from the inside out. Embrace the change and watch as you unlock a new level of vitality and well-being. Your keto adventure awaits.